Does your phone ever get hot while on a phone call or video call? I'm the CyberGuy, and I received a question from one of our viewers, Gordy, who explains that his phone gets very hot when he video chats with one of his friends for over 20 minutes. Gordy asked for any possible reasons and solutions, so I wanted to also share with you the ways you can prevent your phone from overheating. Now, there are reasons why your phone may get hot while using Google Meet or other video chat apps. One is because some apps use a lot of the phone's resources, like the graphics processor, to handle video and audio streams. Another reason could be that your phone heats up if you have an unstable or weak network connection, causing your phone to use more resources and work harder to reach that Wi-Fi or data network to maintain a good connection. If your phone's battery is getting low, this could also be a reason your phone is heating up, as the battery struggles to keep your phone powered. One easy solution is to make sure that you've closed other apps that could be running in the background and taking up some battery juice and other resources like the processor that I mentioned. Another tip, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi and not just using your phone's cellular data. Finally, make sure that your phone is fully charged before hopping on a video call using any app. If you've got questions when it comes to using your technology, who can you write to? Yeah, me, over at cyberguy.com. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.